Hey guys, I got a Whirlpool fridge. Got a water filter that's been stuck there for a while. So I'm gonna try to get it out. Been really frustrated, but I kind of figure out what I'm doing wrong. So if you have the same type of fridge and your water filter is stuck, all you gotta do is there's a little hole here. Put a flat screwdriver and kind of like push the filter towards the front, and then it will come right out. So easy. I made it so complicated. So there you go. Hopefully works out for you.